So we have a 2019 Honda Ridgeline behind us here. Comes standard with a Class 2 hitch and a 7-pin plug for your trailer. We're going to install a brake booster. First, you need to locate the brake controller plug. So that is going to be way over to the left. Push in the brake. Parking brake, it's easier to get to. Follow right up here. It's above the fuse box. And let's see if I can get it in there. There it is, right there. That is your plug. As you can see, it's plugged in now, and I did get the adapter cable from eTrailer. I'll put a link down in the description. Well, on the first generation Ridgeline, you had to come over here and get your spare 30 amp fuse and then put it over in here with the trailer. But here it is already fused together. If you didn't know, you do have spare fuses on your main fuse box, but all your other trailer fuses are going to be in this box here, these fuses right here. All the information is right there on the cover because it's not in the manual like it used to be. Here's the plug. Plug it in. Already got fuse in there, and voila. So all I'm going to do is mount it over here and oops, sorry, put the bracket, and we're good to go. Hope that helped you guys out. That was a lot easier than the first gen Ridgeline.